So let's start with the first job opening that we have. So this is at Secure Trace. This is a company name. So they're hiring for L1, L2. Again, let me repeat. L1 is the lowest, most opening, and L2 is the middle, L3 is the top. So L3 basically means you require a lot of what you say experience, right? L2 is, yeah, bit experience is required, and L1 is something which is for the freshers. Okay, so this is L1 opening, so freshers, L1 and L2. So those who have less experience, apart from those who have no experience, so they can join. So they are looking for cyber security people, those who can work in SOC as a SOC analyst, right? Which is a security analyst people. So if you have CEH, Security Plus, Blue Team Level 1, all the certificates, then this will be a plus point. Okay, this is a job in India, Bangalore. Okay, a position is associate analyst, right? Minimum 6 years, matlab minimum 6 months of experience is required, which means if you have internship experience of 6 months, then it's good to go for L1, and for L2, minimum 1 years of experience, right? So if you can join immediate, then you can drop your resume on this mail ID. Okay, and they want someone who should have networking skills, incident respondent, monitoring continuous, matlab all the skills which is required for SOC, right? And all these basic things you can check it out. So this email ID, just drop your resume along with the subject line SOC analyst. Okay, this is what position they are looking for. So just drop in the subject so that you will get hired very quickly. Next is cybersecurity internship, guys. This is for you. There's a lot of people those who are looking for cybersecurity internship. So you can also join at VIEH group. It's our company. Okay, we have a lot of openings. So if you are in Discord server, then it's good. If you are not, then just drop a message how to join internship VIH. So VIH internship is more about teaching you how to get into the industry, what is the exactly work. So we usually focus on learning stuffs. Okay, so this is for the fresher. Even if you have experience, then I can also help you out in that situation. Anyways, that's a personal mentorship thing. So we can have on Discord. So this is a 3 month internship. 3 months. So this is kind of the first 3 months will be unpaid. So which might be say potential for decreasing completion. 3 months with potential. This is unpaid actually. If you want to join, you can. Okay, this is something which is good. Actually, I'm not against. Okay, you can join if you feel like it's a good company. Then you can apply actually. 3 months with potential for regular employees upon success form. Okay, this is a mail ID. Company name is Avoda. Okay, Avoda is something where you can apply, right? And this is the mail ID of HR. Okay, HR or central as Avoda. This is contact number. If you have any query or something, then you can ask him what does it mean. Okay, and this is an on-site internship, which means you have to work at their place. Your presence is required at the office in Kochi. This is in South. So if you feel like if you have some money in your pocket, because I don't think they are going to pay you for the what you say housing and all. So just do accordingly. I prefer the people those who are in Kerala, they can apply so that it will be easy for you and pocket friendly if they're not going to pay you. Okay, it will be 1 to 3 months of internship. This is a US shift, which means at night you need to work. Okay, and location is like Kochi. Okay, so coffee or something will be arranged, but let's see. Now the next is having three positions. Okay, there are three positions which is in this company. So the first is web application pentester tester, second is Android application pentester, third is web3 pentester. So how many of you knows about web3? Just let me know now. Accordingly, we can, if you have experience about web3, then I can help you out. Okay, this is 3 to 6 months of internship where they are going to pay you 10,000 per month, and it will be performance based as well. Okay, so if you there might be some task like something that you need to achieve. So accordingly, if you'll be having, if you're going to achieve, then you will get some extra stipend. Okay, according to performance, whatever. But they will pay you up to 10,000, right? So fixed payment is not there. It might be 5,000, 6,000, but up to 10 they can pay you according to experience. What they are looking for? Those who have Android application pen testing, those who have OAS JAP knowledge, which is, I hope you all knows about OAS JAP. It is a kind of something related to Bubsuit, but that's come from OAS Open Web Application Security Project, and then that is actually a proxy software. Okay, so this is basic. OAS JAP and Bubsuit is basic too, so you can just master and apply. Okay, that's open source, that's free, and OAS top 10 should be there. Okay, and all these all volunteers have received so far. So guys, if you don't have knowledge about OWASP top 10, if you wants to learn, okay, and if you're in VIH Discord server, then just drop a message there. I'll just give you a course for free. Actually, VIH having a very small seminar on OWASP chat, so I'll give you access for free. You can comment in the comment box as you want this, okay, so I can help you out. What is so if you have found any vulnerability or something, then you can also attach all those things so that you'll be getting some better opportunity, right? Why to join us real time experience? It might be like if you got selected, if you are working well, then they may offer you PPO, which is a replacement offer. Okay, you may work as a full time. That's the thing. This is mail ID where you can drop your resume along with a bug bounty achievement, whatever you have achieved. Okay, that's what we can do. Remember this thing, I can help you out in this. Guys, there is one small thing. Like if you want to learn something, if you have financially weak or something, then just let us know. We are here to help you. Don't worry, matlab, you don't have to go somewhere. If you don't have money, then I can help you out. I also face a lot of problem when I was learning the cybersecurity. So there's a lot of things we can't explain like finances and all, but I can help you out. Whatever max thing possible will be for me. Now next thing is they are seeking for security consultant, associate security consultant who should have VAPT knowledge. Okay, and you need to find vulnerability in the client system or network. Okay, key responsibility will be you should have knowledge on web application pen testing, API pen testing, network pen testing, system pen testing. You can identify vulnerability. This is a VAPT job. You knows better what to do in VAPT. 1 to 2 years of experience is required, which means a fresher's job is this. A strong understanding of web API network security. A strong company have problem solving, and this is in Mumbai, Ghansoli. Yeah, guys, actually, InfoSec Systems is hiring for a lot of positions. Okay, so there is for the what we see freshers, and there are a lot of openings for the experienced people as well. You can drop your resume if you want, if you're hiring for any role. Okay, just keep a tagline VAPT if you're looking for any of the above. So this opportunity, especially for the candidate with VAPT experience, application not match, we cannot be considered. Okay, you understand, right? So let's do the next thing. Next opening is someone is looking for VAPT candidate who should have experience in how to review a code, source code, which is the job location is Bangalore. And if you're interested, then drop a mail to this mail ID, right? This is what you can do. Freshers, again, you are good to go. Now this is Kolkata. Sandeep Sen Gupta said is looking for, and this is isoeh.com. This Sandeep Sen Gupta company is most of people you knows. So Syantika is the mail ID. They are looking for a information security analyst, just those who should have web knowledge, how to find vulnerability, network pen testing, active directory, okay, how to develop best policies and best practices. Their skills is required. BTech or some related IT degree is important. A strong expertise in web application and network pen testing is required. Okay. For proficiency in Microsoft Excel for security reporting is important. And CHCRTP, if you have, then it's a plus point. It will be good to go. Mail ID is syantika@isoeh.com, and application for VAPT role is what you need to write in the subject line. Now next is Defronic Cybersecurity competitive pay. They are looking for AI security specialist trainer, contact-based job, PPO placements. Replacement offer will be given. CS not allowed. If you are CS, then you can't allow. Defronics.com, hello dear Defronics.com, at what you can apply, right? Next opening is for the VAPT consultant. You should have knowledge of how to identify the vulnerability, conduct method penetration testing, and all these things. And this is also difference. They're hiring for VAPT management job role on immediate basis. So I guess 2 to 3 years of experience is required. Freshers may apply. This is mail ID support@infosec.com. Okay, so if you're interested, you can drop and you might get selected. It might be for the fresher as well.